Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to find your MEXC UID in just few seconds. Your UID is your unique user ID on MEXC. It's often needed when you join giveaways, refer friends or contact support. First, open your MEXC application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Your UID will be shown right at the top of your account page, just beside your email address. Only share your UID when it's required for official MEXC programs or support requests. It's tied to your account, so treat it like an ID number. That's it. Super quick and simple. If you found this video helpful, hit like, drop a comment if you have any queries, and make sure to subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.